Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very special video for you. We are talking about a compact system that manages to combine elegance, performance and thermal efficiency in a rare way. It is about the HP Pro Mini 400G9, a system ready for serious multitasking, light gaming and superlative productivity. Configuration and performance. Processor: Intel Core i5-14500T, a next-generation Raptor Lake CPU with 14 cores and 20 threads. That means you get 6P, performance, cores and 8E, efficiency, cores, all in a low TDP package, ideal for small but powerful systems. RAM: 64GB DDR5 at 4800 MHz, Corsair Vengeance brand. It's a huge amount of RAM, with a very fast frequency, perfect for tasks like virtualization, video editing, extreme multitasking or even software development. Storage: 512GB NVMe SSD, fast, quiet, and reliable. Boot times of a few seconds, apps open instantly, and transferring large files is a breeze. Integrated graphics card: Intel UHD Graphics 770, of course, it's not a dedicated GPU, but for office tasks, 4K video, photo editing, programming or even some light gaming, it copes more than decently. Connectivity and operating system: when it comes to connectivity, we have integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so it's ready to work out of the box, without any external cables or adapters. The system comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, which means access to all the advanced security and productivity features, including remote desktop, Hyper-V, BitLocker and more. It's perfect for a business environment, but also for advanced users who want total control. Custom cooling system: even though we're talking about an ultra-compact system, we also took thermal efficiency into account. We added a Thermalright V2 contact frame to ensure perfect pressure between the cooler and the processor, a detail that makes the difference in long-term stability. And between the processor and the cooler we used Noctua NT-H2 thermal paste, one of the most appreciated on the market, known for its thermal performance and durability over time. Temperatures remain low even in stress tests, and the system remains silent, without throttling, without screaming fans, without compromises. Who is this system for? This HP Pro Mini 400G9 is ideal for professionals working from home or in small offices, content creators who need power in a small space, developers and IT professionals using virtual machines, anyone who wants a compact, powerful, and quiet PC. It's a plug-and-play system, ready to deliver performance without taking up too much space or generating unnecessary heat.